Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys my decluttering and purging process that I use when going through my kids' toys. So as y'all know, in a previous video, I shared with you guys a Star Wars haul of toys that my kids received, and they were secondhand. So they are used toys, but they're still in good condition. So today our plan is to go through all of the toys that our sons have and go ahead and take out anything that is broken, anything that they're not playing with, and we are going to separate things into 3 piles. One pile for donation, one for trash, and the other for keep. And we're going to go through everything today, and whatever we get rid of will be replaced with the new toys that they got yesterday. So let's get started. So this is the little storage unit that we use to store their toys, and we got this unit from IKEA, and we had this in our old house as well, and we brought it with us to the new house, and it has been functioning very well for the kids. So all of the toys that they have are here, so they don't have more toys than this besides a bin of Legos that it's in the closet and a bin of little toy soldiers that's in the closet as well. Other than that, this is where all of their toys are kept, and we are going to go through each bin and, like I said, get rid of anything that is broken, damaged, or not being played with, so we can make room for their new Star Wars toys. These are all of their toys. So they have more Star Wars and other little action figures in there, and a lot of just pieces in here that I know that they don't play with every single thing in here, so we'll see what we can donate. So they have a lot of Minecraft stuff, just little doodads. They have a whole bin full of dinosaurs, and another bin with a toy train set that they really don't play with, so we probably will donate that as well. So how we're going to start is by going one bin at a time, that way that it's not overwhelming. I'm not going to dump every single bin out on the floor. We're just going to do it one bin at a time, and it will go by faster and easier that way. So the first bin are these little toys here, and I'm just gonna have them go through and show me what it is that they're still playing with, and we'll do it that way. My son is going through the toys and seeing what they're still playing with, and any broken toys he's gonna put to one side. So any toys that can be donated, we're gonna go ahead and put in this little basket that I use for the laundry, but we're gonna use it to put any of the toys that we're donating. That way it'll just be easier to transport this downstairs. So we're already on to the third bucket here, and we're going pretty quickly because of the little system that we've created. So they've already filled this basket up with some toys they're going to donate, and we've already thrown some away that are broken. 5 more buckets to go, but other than that, we're moving pretty fast. And so all I'm doing is just taking the bucket out, dumping it one bucket at a time. Once they go through this, then we'll move on to the next one. And what about these?
No.
These two?
No.
Play with these?
No.
Okay, put in the donation. Now that they've gone through and sorted through all of their toys and decluttered and purged, now we have a whole box for their new Star Wars toys. So, round of applause. Okay guys, so these are all of the toys that we are going to donate. And we didn't have that much to throw away. We just had a little bit to throw away. Just a couple of things that were broken. So not very much. Mostly it's just donating. And My son put his dinosaurs in there for adoption. So we're gonna take them to a home where somebody can take better care of them. So now we filled the empty container with their new Star Wars toys, and they're super excited to start playing with them. So I did want to mention to you guys that we do the decluttering and purging of their toys once every 8 weeks, because that's how I have my zone cleaning. It's on an 8-week rotation. So this week was focusing zone cleaning on their bedrooms, so on the kids' bedrooms, and that's why we were doing that today, which just happened to be perfect timing because we had gotten their Star Wars toys, so it just worked out perfectly. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and just watching my process for decluttering and organizing their toys. I hope that you guys were able to get some tips in there for decluttering your kids' toys as well. So I look forward to seeing you guys again on the next one. Bye!